you're wasting hours posting manually to Twitter. And if you're not posting, here's a way you can do it automatically with no-code AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically post to Twitter with make.com. So our first step is to come to make.com, create a new scenario, come here and add the Twitter module. And this time we're going to create a post over here. And in your case, you will have to establish a connection. This is the most tricky part that people get confused. You need a client ID and a client secret. We will find this on developerx.com. You're going to scroll down and get started. It's going to prompt you to connect with your email or your Twitter. We're going to connect. We're going to go back. And we're going to click Developer Portal. In your case, here on the left, you're going to have your overview. And you're not going to have a project or an app. You will have to create this. You're going to go here, which is going to be your project. And you're going to click on Settings to change the name and click the use case, making a bot. Then we're going to click here on the left on the UI on our app. And the most important thing to do here, you can also change the name of the app over here. But the most important thing is down on the user authentication settings to click edit. And in your case, you have to change from read to read and write and direct messages. Then type of app is going to be web app, automated app, or bot. And you will have to copy these URIs and the URL over here. I'm going to leave that on the description. And you're going to click save. After clicking save, it's going to prompt you to save your client ID and your secret. You can copy them, come back and paste them here. And when you click save, it's going to pop a window up to authenticate make.com that is going to allow it to take actions. After that, it's that easy and it's free. And you will be able to automatically post on Twitter, as I'm going to do a little test here. Save, and if I run this module only, it runs, it's successful. You see, we can place the text over here. We're going to go back to Twitter, our profile, and it should pop up. You see, over here. I'm going to delete this. Now that we have configured our API, there's endless ways that we can start automating our Twitter posts. In my use case, I have a webhook that is being triggered from an automation from my Airtable that brings the record ID to my Airtable. We grab the content from our Airtable, and then we have different occasions that we're going to post a tweet 1, tweet 2, tweet 3, as you can see here. And this comes from my Airtable, which when I do an automation in Airtable, which I'm going to show in the future, I can click this and it automatically will go through the automation and post different kind of tweets. A common problem that you might face with the Twitter API is that it's not going to allow you to post more than 280 characters. This is exactly 280 or 279. I tested it and sometimes the API won't go through and it's going to show you an error. So make sure that your tweets will be under that limit. Make sure you subscribe and follow so you don't miss the next video, which I'm going to show more complicated automations that will help you automate 80% of your life.